Hi, everyone. I'm going to go over real quick our new project that we're going to work on during science over the next few days. It'll be due on Monday, this coming Monday, the 27th. I want you to take your time. I want you to not complete it or even try to complete it in one day. There are several activities that you're going to work on, and I'm going to start going over what they are right now. So let me move this on over for you. So we have our Earth Day pick a project. So you're going to have a choice board. So on the choice board, there are 9 boxes, and it says in several places on this slide right here that you can pick as many activities as you want, but you need to have at least 2. It says it right here. It says it right here. And it says it going down the side. Everyone has to have at least 2 activities done. If you want to do more than that, that is awesome. I would love to see more, but I want to make sure that you're doing them completely and that you're having fun and you're being creative with them as well. So there are 9, and I'm going to go through them with you now. So once you choose your activity, you're going to go down to the number. So as you saw in those boxes, there's numbers 1 through 9. So say you wanted to do the first box. So you would scroll down in this presentation here, because this is what's going to be in your Google Classroom, to the slide that has number 1 on it. And you're going to read that slide because it's going to have all the detailed directions for you. Make sure you're following them completely and ask me if you have any questions at all. And I want you, like I said, I want you to make sure you're having fun, you're being creative, because we don't get to do that all that often. We try to, but I want to see just how creative you guys can be with this. So if you wanted to do box number 1, you would go to the slide that has the number 1 here. It has the number 1 on the picture here. So this one, you're going to create a new invention. It says in here that obviously you're not going to go to a store to buy anything. We're not going to the stores now. You just use objects that you have at home, and you're going to actually create and build your invention. I can't wait to see what you guys make. And you're going to make pictures or take pictures of your invention. You're going to create video, or you can even create a video of it if it's easier for you to show me that way. But you're going to read through this. You're going to do research. You're going to figure out one of the environmental problems that the Earth has. So you're going to read through this yourself. And you're going to, if this is one of your choices. Okay, I'm just going to kind of go over this real quick, and then you guys will read through and pick what you want. And then if you have any questions, then you can ask. Okay, here you have a scavenger hunt template. So you can create a scavenger hunt game that encourages your classmates to help clean up the school grounds or the neighborhood. Now, am I asking you to go to the school to do this or go around your neighborhood to do this? No, you're just creating a game that people might do in the future, or even just a made-up game. I don't want anybody going out to actually go do this. Okay, that's not the idea. So that's this one. The third one is a garden design and letter template. So you're going to pick a location and design a garden for the school. And it says on here, you're writing a letter to the local home improvement store, whether it's Hands Garden Center, Home Depot, Lowe's, something like that. It also says on here, we will not really be mailing the letter. We are pretending that we are going to make this garden real. Okay, so please, please, please do not really mail them and ask them for any donations. I don't want to be getting those phone calls. Or you can choose to research and build a solar cooker. So before you start asking me what is a solar cooker, do the research to find out what it is. And then you can build a simple model. And again, if this is what you choose, you can take pictures or a video. Number 5 is a trifold brochure template. Those are like those little brochures that you pick up in the stores or if you're away on vacation. And this is about an endangered species, an animal species in our state, not an endangered species of an animal that you would only find in an African safari, one that you would find here in New Jersey. And this is an example of a template you can use, but you don't have to use this one. This one just came with the papers that I have here for you. You can totally design your own. You do not have to use this because you're probably going to use a lot more information. Number 6 is, there we go, is a carbon footprint. So you can research what a carbon footprint is and then write an essay explaining it and then how you would reduce yours. I tried to highlight the different things in here that you would need to make sure that you have. Number 7 is an autobiography of a plastic water bottle. So you would pretend that you are the plastic water bottle. And you're going to write an autobiography about what happens to you when you get plucked from the convenience store refrigerator. Number 8 is a commercial template. So you're going to write a jingle and a script for a commercial that promotes the whole idea and spirit of Earth Day. So a jingle is, you know those songs that get stuck in your head when you're watching TV and you're watching a commercial? That's what a jingle is. So you can come up with that. You can draw the pictures that explains what your commercial is. Or if you really want to have fun, you and your family can act out your commercial and videotape it. That would be fun to watch. And the last one is an interview, and you can interview Earth. So you can write 5 questions that would require the Earth to reflect on, and you would have to answer those questions as well. So like I said, go through all of these slides, think about it, decide what you want to do, and then you have until next Monday to work on these and get them done. Don't worry about, nothing needs to be turned in yet. Okay, nobody should be turning anything in until the end of the week. So I will get back to you and let you know exactly how I want you to turn any of these projects in. The actual project, if it's anything you're building or making, none of those will get turned in because obviously I'm at my house, you're at your house, we're not in our classroom. So that's why I said pictures or videos, that's what we'll have to do for those. But you will be making it if that's what you want to do. So I can't wait to see just how creative you guys can be because I know how creative you are. And so go through the slides, pick out 2 that you want to do, get those. And then once you have those done, if you have more time and you want to do another one, go for it. But like I said, I don't want anybody to try and get both of their required assignments done in one day because I want you to have fun with it and really think about it and be creative. Because if you try and get it all done in one day, I don't think you're going to be able to do the best that you can do and really enjoy working on this. So go through the slides, see what you think. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, jump in and get started and enjoy what you learn about Earth Day. And I can't wait to see everything that you guys come up with. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.